Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025.1c. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. First open any web browser, also verify whether we have the VS Code. Comes as pre-installed application. See, we don't have VS Code. Okay, so go to VS Code official website, that is code.visualstudio.com. Click on this .debian package or click on download, then click on .debian package for Kali Linux. Click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Its size is 99.3 megabytes. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Open terminal, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the code debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then give the code debian package name. Give the code and give the tab to autofill, enter debian package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, the installer would like to add the Microsoft repository and signing key to update the VS Code through apt. So select yes by using tabs or right or left arrows and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, then search for VS. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Let me close this one. We can also open by giving the code on the terminal and hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be opened. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. This file is not required anymore, so remove it. rm code, give the tab to autofill, enter package name, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025.1c. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.